students, heartily welcomes you at Success School. Today we will start Standard 11 Science, subject Mathematics, and myself Piyush Kapadia. आप लोग स्टैंडर्ड 10th में स्टेटिस्टिक्स चैप्टर कंप्लीट करेलो छे, तो आज पण आपणे भी 11 साइंस में स्टेटिस्टिक लेसन 15 आपेलो छे जे स्टार्ट करवाना छे। आ लेसन 10th ने रिलेटेड ज 11th में आपेलो छे आपणने, अने जेई मेइन माटे नो इम्पोर्टंट लेसन कहेवाय के आ लेसन नो क्वेश्चन लगभग तमाराथी इजीली सॉल्व थई जाए बीजा लेसन नी कम्पेरिजन में। कया टाइपना क्वेश्चन हशे जी मेइन में ए भी आपणे तमने कहेशुं, पण अत्यारे स्टार्ट करीए छीए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थियरी। सो योर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज अ मेजर ऑफ dispersion. Measure of dispersion, 3 types. First type is a range. Second type is a mean deviation. And third type is a standard deviation. Now we will start first topic, range. Then what is range? Range is a maximum observation minus minimum observation. For example, suppose the given observation is 8, 10, 25, 36, 50. Then find out range. So range equals to maximum. Here maximum observation is 50. And minimum observation is 8. So 50 minus 8 equals to 42. So range is 42. Now second point is mean deviation. Then what is a mean deviation? Mean deviation matlab absolute value. Values of deviation from mean. Absolute values of deviation from mean मतलब कि xi minus x bar. xi मतलब some observation x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and x bar मतलब कि mean. And this is the very well know that x bar equals to sigma xi upon m, मतलब कि sum of observation divide by number of observation. Then find out x bar. Then some values xi minus x bar is a mean deviation, absolute values of mean deviation from mean. Then mean deviation may be 2 types आवशे. First one is a mean deviation about mean for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. Mean deviation about for ungrouped data. So first find out mean. X bar equals to sigma xi upon n. And second type, yeah, this formula using, so observation is a some small value, then find out x bar equals to sigma xi upon n. Then observe, given observation is a big value, then find out x bar a plus sigma di upon n. And here di equals to xi minus a, and a is known as assumed mean. मतलब जे भी ऑब्जर्वेशन तमने गिवन है एमा कोई भी वैल्यू एज्यूम करो इज अ एज्यूम्ड मीन. देन फाइंड आउट एक्स बार. बे में आंसर सेम, बे फॉर्म्युला थी आंसर केवो रहेशे सेम. सो मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन, मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन, सिंबल इज अ डेल्टा एक्स बार equals to sigma xi माइनस x बार अपॉन n, मतलब कि सम ऑफ ऑल एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीन. सिग्मा मतलब सम ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीन डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन is known as mean deviation about mean. Now, second point, mean deviation about mean for group data. And here also two types. First one is a discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. First find out also x bar sigma fi xi upon n. Group data ungroup data માં difference શું આવશે? Ungroup data માં frequency is not given and group data frequency is given, so x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon n. And second formula, x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon n, a plus sigma fi di upon n, where di equals to xi minus a. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ની જ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th માં તમે ડીઆઈ છે ત્યાં યુઆઈ એપ્લાય કરો છો સપોઝ, તો ડીઆઈ કે યુઆઈ બોથના મિનિંગ સેમ જ છે. વેર ડીઆઈ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ xi minus n, a is a assumed mean. So find out standard deviation about mean delta x bar sigma fi xi minus x bar upon n. So first find out xi minus x bar, then multiply by fi, and then sigma मतलब एनु एडिशन समेशन and divide by number of observation. Then second type, continuous frequency distribution. Then continuous frequency distribution also x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon n, or x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon n multiply by c, where c is a class length. Continuous frequency distribution मतलब 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. This is the continuous frequency distribution. And now standard mean deviation about mean delta x bar sigma fi xi minus x bar upon n. So this is the complete for mean deviation about mean. Now second point, mean deviation about median for ungrouped data. Mean deviation about median for ungrouped data. Then find out median. Median find karo, then first arranging the given data in ascending order. Given data in ascending order. First of all જેવી data given છે એને તમારે ascending order માં apply કરવાનો है. Then if number of observation is odd, then median equals to n plus 1 by 2 thi observation. So number of observation is odd, then find m equals to n plus 1 by 2 thi observation. Value of n plus 1 by 2 thi observation. And if second case, number of observation is even, then median equals to n by 2 thi observation plus n by 2 plus 1 thi observation and divide by 2. This is the mean deviation about median. So mean deviation about median मतलब delta m sigma xi માઇનસ m અપોન n. માઇનોર ચેન્જ થઈ જશે, જ્યાં મીન યુઝ કરતા હતા ત્યાં શું આવી જશે? મીડિયન. મીન મતલબ x બાર એન્ડ મીડિયન મતલબ m. નાઉ સેકન્ડ પોઈન્ટ, mean deviation about median for group data. Median for group data. Then first, discrete frequency distribution. So discrete frequency distribution. First, we write cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. First, we write the cumulative frequency. Then m equals to n plus 1 by 2 3 observation lies in the cumulative frequency and its corresponding values. Corresponding value is a median. Corresponding value is a median. So first write down cumulative frequency, then n equals to sigma fi, मतलब total number of observation मतलब की frequency. So here write down n, then observation lies in the cumulative frequency and its corresponding value. Corresponding value मतलब xi is a median. So delta m, mean deviation about median, sigma xi fi xi minus m upon n. And second part, continuous frequency distribution. And continuous frequency distribution also we write cumulative frequency. Then here first find out median class. So median class equals to n by 2 3 observation lies in the cumulative frequency and its corresponding class is a median class. So first find out median class. Then formula of median equals to L plus n by 2 minus capital F divided by small f into C. M equals to L plus n by 2 minus capital F divided by small f. Capital F मतलब CF भी apply करी सकाय, divided by F into C. So where L is a lower limit of median class, lower limit of median class, and n is a total number of frequency, total number of frequency. Then f is a frequency of median class, and capital F मतलब cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. And C मतलब class width या class length. So this is the complete 4. mean deviation about median. So find out mean deviation about median. Delta m equals to sigma fi xi minus m upon n. So complete for mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. And now next topic is a standard deviation. Exercise 15.1. Here first question is a find the mean deviation about mean for given data. So here given data is a 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. So first of all xi matlab data 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 17. And sum of all observation matlab ki sigma xi 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 9 28 plus 10 38 plus 12 50 plus 30 equals to 80. Now first find out mean. X bar equals to sigma xi upon n. Then here sigma xi is 80 and number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80 divided by 8. So x bar is 10. Now next column is xi minus x bar. Then first 4 minus 10 minus 6, 7 minus 10 minus 3, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 10 0, 12 minus 10 2, 13 minus 10 3, 17 minus 10 7. An absolute value, so xi minus x bar 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 7. Then sum of all absolute value sigma xi minus x bar 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12 plus 2 14 plus 3 17 plus 7 24. Then find out mean deviation about mean. Delta x bar equals to sigma xi minus x bar upon n. So sigma xi minus x bar 24 divided by 8. So mean deviation about mean is 3. The first sum is mean deviation about mean for ungrouped data. Here frequency is not given. And now same similarly second question. Some given observation 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54 and 55. Now again first find out x bar mean. X bar equals to sigma xi upon n. And here sigma xi total observation addition api diyo then is 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 500 divided by number of observation 10. So x bar equals to 50. And now absolute value xi minus x bar 38 minus 15 minus 12 but modulus એટલે 12. Here 20, here 2, 10, 8, 5, 13, 4, 4 and 5. Now sigma xi minus x bar 12 plus 20 32 plus 2 34, 44, 52, 57, 70, 74, 78 and plus 5, 83. Again repeat 32 plus 2, 34, 44, 52, 57, 60, 70. So 83. So sigma xi minus x bar equals to 84. One mistake here, observation is a 44 and we will write 55. So 44 minus 50, so 6. So total sigma xi minus x bar 84. So mean deviation about mean delta x bar equals to sigma xi minus x bar upon n. So 84 divided by 10, 8.4. So the complete for mean deviation about mean. So both sum is a ungrouped data. And now second question. Yes, second question is a mean deviation about median for ungrouped data. So find the mean deviation about the median for given data. So first, given data on arranging the given data in ascending order. So first observation is a 10, then 2 times 11, then 12, then 13 2 times, then 14, then 16 2 times, then 17 2 times, and last one is a 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here number of observation is a 12. Number of observation is a 12. So n is even, then find mean, median. M equals to n by 2 3 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 3 observation divided by 2. So 12 by 2 3 observation plus 12 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So 6 observation plus 7th observation divided by 2. So 6 observation is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 observation is a 13 and 7th observation is a 14. Divided by 2, 27 by 2, so 13.5. So median is a 13.5. Now first xi 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. Then second column is a xi minus m. So first observation 13.5, 10 minus 13.5, 3.5, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5, and 18 minus 13.5, 4.5. So total sigma xi minus m, sum of xi minus m, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 0, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13, 14, 16, 18, 21, 24 plus 4, 28. So 28.0. Now mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. Delta m sigma xi minus m upon n, 28 by 12, so 2.33. Question 4. Again arranging the given data in ascending order, then we get first observation 36, then 42, then 45, then 46 2 times, then 49, then 53, 51, 53 and 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And last one is a 72. So here number of observation is a 10. So again m equals to n by 2 3 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So 10 by 2 the observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. So 10 by 2 fifth observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. Fifth observation is a 46 and sixth observation is a 49 divided by 2. So 95 divided by 2. So 47.5. So median is a 47.5. And now first one is XI 36, 42, 45, 46, 46, 49, 51, 53, 60, 72. Then second is a XI minus M. So 36 minus 47.5, 11.5, 16.5, 19.5, 20.5, 20.5, sorry, repeat, 36 minus 47.5, 11.5, 42 minus 47.5.5, 2.5, 1.5, 1.5, then 49 also 1.5, 51, 3.5, 5.5, 12.5 and 24.5. Now sigma xi minus m. Then addition 50 matlab 0. Then 5, 16, 5, 11, 16 plus 5, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 34, 46 and 70. So find out mean deviation about median. Delta m equals to sigma xi minus m upon. So 70.0 divided by 10 equals to 7. So complete 4 sum 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is a mean deviation about mean and last 2 is a mean deviation about median. So both are ungrouped data. And now next lecture we will start for group data.